Hello, hello, hello. Magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so nasa Davao ako ngayon, kaya kakaiba ang aking setup. Pero, ayan, what I'll do today is love message, love reading for all signs. Okay, so general collective reading ito. So kung kanino man mag-resonate yung magiging reading for today, ayan, sana gamitin nyo tong reading with discernment. Okay, and yeah, let's see. So I'll do the 10 card spread. So let's do a 10 card spread today. Tignan natin ano yung love reading para sa collective, lalo na ngayong papasok ang month of June. Okay? So gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Thank you po kasi it's growing. Sana po patuloy niyong suportahan ang Mystico Moreno channel by subscribing, lalo na sa mga bago, para updated rin kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang love readings. And please continue to support by liking this video. It really helps the channel grow. Comment na rin sa baba, lalo na kung nag-resonate sa inyo ang reading na ito. And share nyo na rin sa mga kilala nyo na nangangailangan ng guidance from the universe. Okay. Let's see. So, what I'll do is I'll reveal first the main cards, the first 10 cards. Tapos, from the other deck, yeah, kabit natin siya with another 10 cards. And let's see, ano ba yung magiging reading for today. Yeah, I'll get the 5th card dahil May ngayon. First card, okay, the Star. Lapit natin siya. Yan. Oops, nag-go out of focus. Second card, Six of Swords. Third card, Ace of Swords. Then Four of Cups. And the Emperor. Nag-flip siya. So, gusto niya magpakita. So, the Judgment. Ten of Pentacles. Strength card. Ten of Wands. And Wheel of Fortune. Okay. So, medyo para siyang Wheel of Fortune. Para siyang Ferris wheel. Parang bababa, tataas, bababa, tataas yung energy. Okay. And let's see, ano yung nakakabit na cards. The Star card. Six of Swords. Judgment. Ten of Pentacles. Strength card. Ten of Wands. And Wheel of Fortune. Bunutin ko na rin yung card from this deck. That would be the message from the universe. Para mamaya ko na-reveal. It's 2 cards. Okay. So, okay, the Star and 9 of Wands. So, let's see. So first pair is the Star and the Nine of Wands. So medyo you're hoping na sana mas maging open yung person ninyo, and you might be dealing with an Aquarius. Okay. What else? Let's see. An Aries. Okay. A Scorpio. A Leo. And a Taurus. Okay. So Aquarius, you might be dealing with an Aries, Aquarius, at Leo, Taurus, Scorpio. Okay. Yep. It doesn't have to, Ito lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. Pwedeng other signs pa rin. Pero check their Moon, Venus, and Rising placements din. Baka yun yung mga signs din nila sa placements na yun. Okay, so again, going back to the Star in the Nine of Wands. So you and your person, medyo at the moment, emotionally detached yung person ninyo. More on because meron siyang fear na, and marami siyang insecurities din. Pero more on may fear siya on being vulnerable or to express himself or herself too much sa person na nagugustuhan niya, or kung kanino siya intimate, or kung kanino siya in love. Medyo guarded siya when it comes to expressing guarded siya sa kanyang feelings. Okay? Kaya ito yung nagiging challenge sa relationship ninyo, kasi parang gusto mo siya mag-open up, gusto mo siya mas maging expressive, gusto mo siya na mas magkaroon ng intimate conversation with you, pero hindi nga siya nangyayari. Kaya it's something that you're really hoping for na mangyari. Medyo minamanifest mo siya, and sa part naman ng person mo, mayroon siyang mga wounds kasi. Okay? That requires some healing. So, because the Star card is also a card of healing, and your person has a lot of wounds galing from the past experiences, past relationships, kaya nagmamanifest siya as being guarded. Okay? And ikaw na medyo alam mo din, nakita ko dito medyo overthinker ka rin. So inisip mo, bakit ganito, ano bang problem, bakit medyo detached siya sa akin. So I think you have to be more patient dun sa person. Pero tignan natin ano ba yung susunod na cards. Okay, so the next pair is Six of Swords and Page of Coins. So with the Six of Swords na nakakabit sa Page of Coins, so kailangan talaga ng person mo ng healing and kailangan niya talagang mag-move on from that, alam mo yun, dun sa mga experiences na yun. Kasi minsan ang nangyayari, parang pinoproject niya kasi sa present yung mga experiences niya from the past na ganito, nasaktan ako, sasaktan lang din ako ng person na to once na mas maging open ako, once na mas I lower my guards, di ba? So kasi ganun yung nangyari in the past. Kaya parang ngayon, kahit hindi mo na alam mo sa sarili mo na hindi mo naman siya gagawin dahil mahal mo tong tao na to, para sa kanya, yung mga tao kasi na minahal niya, ganun yung ginawa sa kanya. So parang na-develop yung fear from trauma na kapag mas nag-open up siya, mas naging vulnerable siya, kung kailan siya nagtiwala, bigla siyang sinasaktan. Okay, but again, this person, give this person time to heal. Okay, kung mahal mo din talaga siya, sasamahan mo siya sa journey din niya, sa kanyang healing process, ganun. Kasi, with the Six of Swords here, he or she has to heal. And I think there's something unexpected na nangyayari na feel ko naman dito that your person is trying his or her best to change and to show din na may na nag-effort siya at pinapakita naman niya yon kasi gusto din naman na itong person na to na magkaroon ng long-term relationship with you, pero minsan pinapangunahan lang siya talaga din ng takot. Okay, pero gusto niya maging loyal sa'yo, gusto niyang magkaroon ng happy ever after with you. Okay, pero kahit siya nai-stress din sa situation. Pero again, it's not you, it's him or her. Oh my ganun. Okay. So, tingnan natin with the Ace of Swords and Three of Swords. Okay. Yeah. So, nasaktan nga tong tao na to. Medyo talagang, I think itong person mo was several times cheated on. Okay. Ang dami niyang heartbreak, ang dami niyang emotional pain, and parang every time na nagkakaroon siya ng fresh start with someone, okay, it always ends up nga na nasasaktan siya. And hindi siya yung normal lang na na parang, okay, iwan na kita, then nasaktan siya dahil iniwan siya. Hindi. Ang daming mga, like, cheating, manipulation, deception, siguro siyang na-experience from the past, na, pero siya, hopeful pa rin. Hopeful pa rin naman itong person mo. Hopeful pa rin siya na darating yung true love sa kanya. Pero dahil nga sa mga past experiences niya, nakala niya, every time din kasi na may namimit siyang bago, there's a fresh start, kala niya totoo na yon, tapos eventually hindi pala. Tapos itatry niya ulit, tapos kala niya totoo na yung love na yon, hindi pala kasi masasaktan siya. And the cycle repeats until dumating ka. Kaso, ikaw na totoong nagmamahal dito sa person na to, ayun na, yun, dun dahil sa mga naipon na bad experiences niya, medyo hindi siya ganun kabilis din lumabas sa kanyang, well, let's use the word shell, di ba? So, Ayan, tingnan mo. Four of Cups is a card of detachment. And with the King of Wands here, kailangan, naapektuhan talaga yung relationship dynamics ninyo because sa kanyang detachment. Okay, I can also see na merong avoidant tendencies tong person mo. Takot sa intimacy, takot maging vulnerable, okay? And you have to really um, sort of take control of the situation. Okay? Dapat lumabas yung leadership skills mo para mas maano yung dynamics. Parang, okay, kausapin mo siya, ikaw na yung maging mas proactive at mas maging bold when it comes to conversation. Okay? In a nice way, not, dapat hindi siya magmukhang parang threatened yung person mo every time you ask him or her to have a conversation. Okay? So, navigate sa situation properly. Okay? Kasi, tingnan mo, with the Emperor card here also showing sa next, you really have to um, take the lead and yeah, use your uh, Emperor energy na alam mo yung grounded ka pero gusto mong iparating yung gusto mong mangyari, so you do it without hesitation pero ano din, you'll do it wisely. Okay? Ikaw lang nakakakilala din sa person mo. So, i-navigate mo yung kung paano mo siya kakausapin at paano nyo mapapag-usapan itong issue or concern uh, na kinakaharap ninyo sa relationship. Tell your person na this is what you feel. Okay? Kasi na you really care for him or her. Okay? And you want the relationship to work. But for the relationship to work, this, and that should happen in the relationship. Diba? And both of you have to be accountable sa mga task niyo. Ayan, no? Two of Cups. Mahal nyo yung isa't isa. And kung it's a relationship worth fighting for din naman, I would say. Kasi it's very clear here na both of you are attracted to each other, very affectionate sa isa't isa, mahal nyo talaga yung isa't isa. There's really a good connection between the two of you. And yeah, with the Emperor here, it shows din naman na there's a potential for a secure and stable relationship sa inyong dalawa. Pero kailangan nyo ma-resolve itong uh, issues ninyo, di ba? So with the Judgment, di ba, and the Empress card here, okay, showing up here. So here the Emperor and the Empress are showing up. So sa tarot kasi si Emperor and Empress are the power couple. So pag naman ba siya, it just shows na you two are really meant for each other. Pero kailangan may mga challenges lang na kailangan yung harapin together din, 'di ba? And shown here with the Judgment card nga na may mga decision kayo na kailangan gawin and to redeem your person's ano um, kung ano yung kailangan niyang gampanan sa relationship. So I think there will be some forgiveness na mangyayari. And alam ko naman din na ikaw, you have that forgiving vibe and nurturing love. And I think itong person din naman is he felt or she felt sad and sorry for what's going on. Na alam naman din niya na siya yung may problem. Okay, but with proper conversation and apology na sincere, meaning nag-sorry, hindi na gagawin, magbabago. Okay? Everything will work out well kasi with the Empress card here, showing me the judgment, the decision is also coming from, and the forgiveness coming from a love that is, ano, full of care, full of understanding, di ba? Kasi alam mo yung pinagdadaanan ng nung person mo. Okay? And plus here, now that you've read this, I mean, that now na nandito ka at naririnig mo to, baka mas magkaroon ka pa ng awareness na, ay, oo nga, no, kaya pala siya ganun. Okay? So, see, with the Ten of Pentacles and Eight of Coins, gusto nyo talaga together na magkasama kayo forever and ever. Diba? With the Ten of Pentacles here, which is a card of settling down, being together long term. There's a lot of windfall in the relationship, diba? Stability, and you're really trying your best naman with the Eight of Coins here. Eight of Coins is a card of dedication and effort and commitment. Na committed naman talaga kayo sa isa't isa to reach this level sa relationship ninyo. Okay? But, as I've said, mangyayari lang to if yung root cause ng issues mariresolve. Kasi kung hindi, madedelay ito. Yung goal ninyo to live happily ever after, di ba? Mangyayari naman siya, pero mas matagal. Kung the more you delay the resolution, the more you delay also the outcome. Diba? The Strength card and the Hierophant. So, with the Strength card and Hierophant showing up here na, again, the Hierophant is a card of commitment and alignment sa mga gusto ninyong mangyari. And the relationship is getting strong naman. Here with the, parang yung commitment nyo sa isa't isa mas lumalalim pa. And lalong lalalim pa siya kung mas mapapag-usapan nyo siya ng may love, may understanding, may wisdom. Okay? Hindi lang siya basta na, ito yung problema, ganyan. Upuan nyo siya ng maayos, pag-usapan nyo siya ng maayos, okay? At mas magkakaroon kayo ng understanding. Kasi here, it's becoming a burden din naman, both of you, yung situation. Burden siya sa'yo kasi, syempre, you want your person to open up more, diba? Mas maging honest, mas maging clear, truthful sa mga nararamdaman niya. Okay? Pero also, at the same time, sa kanya, nagiging burden na rin. It's taking a toll on him or her. Kasi nga, gusto naman niya talaga na magkaayos, pero minsan, psychological kasi yun natitrigger yung fear nga every time na may intimacy na nangyayari. Especially for those na meron talagang avoidant tendencies or avoidant attachment. Diba? Na gustong-gusto nila na maging na mahalin yung person nila. Pero pag may intimacy na nangyayari, they parang nagiging frozen sila. Alam mo yun? Or they either run away, di ba? Or do some self-sabotaging activities. So, ayan, with the Ten of Wands and Knight of Coins yun nga. With the Knight of Coins here, yung consistency, yun din naman yung issue yung pagiging consistent. Kasi, syempre may time na, okay, hindi siya triggered, lalo na when you two are apart or walang masyadong intimacy. Parang, okay, pero pag ayun na naman, magkakaroon intimacy, hindi. Diba? So, yun, yung pagiging consistent lang, and yung yung, alam mo naman kasi, di ba, nakapag-commit ka. So, alam mo din, sa totoong ah, relasyon na maayos, you know your responsibilities. And you should trust each other that na susupport niya yung isa't isa. Pero kahit nandun yun, na alam niyo na, kuwari siya, alam niya na susuportan mo naman siya. Pero pag natitrigger na yung fear niya, parang naka-cloud yung utak niya sa mga kailangan niyang gawin. Okay. So, Wheel of Fortune and a decision, Two of Coins, um, a choice has to be made. And this Wheel of Fortune, mangyayari siya talaga based sa choices na gagawin nyo. Sa choice niya, ng person mo na ayusin yung sarili niya and makikooperate and collaborate with you para ma-achieve ninyo yung goal ninyo. So, and the goal is to have a secure, stable, and long-term relationship, di ba? Okay. And ito, parang sinasabi lang din dito na possible siya na mangyari. Okay? And you two are destined. Nga, lumabas si Emperor at Empress, di ba? So, parang sinasabi nga din dito na you both are destined na magkatuluyan. Pero, part of it is to fix and resolve the issues. Okay? Alright? And there's really a chance for the relationship or the feelings and emotions within the relationship to really evolve. Pero, it's a matter of choice. Okay? So, tingnan natin ano yung advice ni Universe sa iyo. O yeah, dreams mo, star card. Talagang ito yung gusto nyong mangyari. I mean, both of you dream of having a happy, long-term, and stable, secure relationship. And something that is a peaceful one. Walang issues. Okay? And sinasabi ni Universe na possible siyang mangyari to have a peaceful or tranquil relationship na both of you dream of kung gagawin ninyo yung kailangan nyong gawin, which is yung mga sinabi ko rin kanina. And that is also from the Universe. Okay? So, sana nakatulong to reading na to. Okay? Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Dito lang sa akin channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno. Hanggang sa muli. Kita-kits! Ingat!